Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to forward a project that you have created on the Unfold application as a PDF file. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the projects button down below, which is the second option. Select a project that you want to forward. Tap on this share button in the upper right corner of the screen and click on all pages or this page. Tap on the PDF option, which is the third one. Now it's being loaded in. Then here you can find it as a PDF file, and if you want to send it to someone, click on the share button in the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can select from a bunch of options such as forwarding it via AirDrop, Messages, Messenger, Slack, Gmail and other social networking sites. If you tap on Messages, for example, you're going to see that the PDF file has been attached. All you have to do is selecting a contact, and then you can forward it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.